treat tonight here at our place. We have the
I want to be filming the show. I can't have your phone.
that are here tonight to perform for each and every one of you guys. So let me tell you, I have never seen so many drag queens in my entire life, and I am tired of seeing drag queens tonight. But let me tell you how this got started. What it was is that they gave us a call because one of their dearest friends, Tony Riggs, Tony Ray had passed away about 3 weeks ago. And they decided, and they've been on their tour doing cast, so they decided they want to do something in his honor tonight and do a burlesque show here in Seattle. What a better place to do that but here at our place. It was fantastic. Yes. So we are so happy and so proud that they are here tonight. We've got a bunch of raffle tickets that are going out. Their goal tonight is to raise at least $1,000. Let me tell you where this is going to. It's going to, how many of y'all ever heard of the Trevor Project? So they want to raise so much money here at our place so they can be able to dedicate that in the honor of Tony Ray, which is absolutely fabulous. Okay. You know, and they're working very hard because they just got done doing the show at Cats. And they ran up here upstairs and got ready so quickly. Yeah, so I just want to make sure we thank the Lashes Girl tonight because they've been upstairs working their face and the whole works. And I believe they are ready. So you ready to see a show? So let me tell you, they like a lot of noise. Y'all know we make a lot of noise here in Seattle. Are y'all ready to see a show? So please welcome, but don't steal my magic. Give it up for the fabulous Cats!
Oh,